discussing about text module with language translation, as well as how we are going to use the text module in a Smartforms. So generally, the text modules has been created through SC63 T code. So I'm going to show you how we are going to implement SC63. So now I'm going to open remote desktop here. I'm going to, yeah, the T code is SC63 generally. Yeah. Then go to other text and expand B5 SAP scripts, forms and styles, and double click SAP Smartforms. Here asking the object name. I have already created the object name. Just I am going to open. So here the source language is EN, US, and the target language is German, TE. Then click on edit. So when we are going to log in English language, it's going to be display our English translation. When we are going to log in German system, it's going to be automatically display this particular translation. So this is one of the most advantage easily understanding anybody in a local language. Okay, now I'm going to, for an example, if you want to change, you can add also, then click on save button. Okay, then next we need to save and activate. Okay, that's it. Now how we are going to save this particular object in our TR. So if you do something, if you want to move development to quality, we require TR. How we want to create TR? Go to SC09. Okay, here click on create, select workbench request, enter, yeah, testing for SC63 language translation. Just I'm going to give SC63. I'm going to give today. Here I'm going to save. Just to copy the main TR. So workbench request. Now next you can go to another T code SLXT. So here this is SC63 translation export. Now if you want to move only German language, you can select target language German. Here I'm going to select German. Now unchecked, create a new request. Now next check grant non-SLXT request. Here we can provide our custom TR. Okay. So the workbench TR. Then next you need to provide the current date. This is one of the most important here. When we are going to not providing the present processing date, it's going to be fetch all the object under your TR. So if it is possible, you can give the time also. And next we need to provide our username. If you are not providing the username, entire objects has been stored under your TR. For an example, in development system, many people are doing changes SC63. The remaining people's objects also coming under your TR. When we are going to move development to quality, automatically the objects has been overridden. It's going to be big problem. That's why we need to provide with your username. So now I'm going to execute. See, selected user target language is D. Now I am going to check whether it is stored or not in our TR. Okay, I'm going back here. Then I'm going to display here the testing for SC63. Here now I'm going to expand the main TR. Under main TR, the object list request expand and expand translation for SAP Smartforms. You can see this is SC63 object name and that particular language. Okay. Then next I am going to show you how we are going to use this SC63 language text in our smart forms. Generally, they are using the smart form level and as well as SAP script level as well as mail bodies. So etc. So anyway, I will show you quickly on the output. Now I am going to open smart forms. So here I'm going to take existing smart form. You can display here. In this smart form, I am going to add in the main window. In this main window, so here select text type is text module, and you can provide the 63 object here, the text SAK3. So now check if now check and activate and execute. We already check and activated because it will take some time based on your server. So now I am going to execute here. So here I am going to execute. So when we are going to execute the smart form, one function module has been generated automatically. Then now I am going to execute me. Here you can provide the output device type local and click on print preview. So see, welcome to Sahid Group channel. More updates, please subscribe our channel and hit bell icon. The mail ID is Sahid Group 01 Gmail. This is my mobile number. And if I want to know how it's going to be displayed in German language, now I am going to log out the system. Yes. Yeah. Now I am going to log in. Okay. In this time, I am going to log in through this language. Okay. So here, yeah, now next I'm going to open the smart form with the same smart form name and I'm going to execute now. You can see I never change anything, just I'm going to execute in DE system. So here I'm going to provide our printer name, click on. See, this is our German language translation. Thank you guys. More updates, please subscribe our channel.